worked on a farm in Lincolnshire. Now, us hill farmers would love to live down Lincolnshire in this lovely flat farming ground where they grow all sorts of things from sugar beet to carrots. This tractor has had quite a hard life, so it was purchased not that long ago, and it was completely rebuilt right through. And you must have heard what I was saying about the electrics. He said we have had a few problems with the electrics as well, so it's been rewired, completely gone through. Yes, it looks like it's still in its working clothes, but actually under there it's mechanically amazing. Great to see here, great to see a tractor of this size, especially in the increments from the Ford with the Ferguson system right up to the 3670. Thank you for fetching it in. Mr. Ferguson, a bit of a cantankerous old man really. He was a wonderful engineer, but he didn't get on with very many people, so he fell out with Mr. Brown. Went over from Huddersfield to America. He said, hello, Mr. Henry Ford. And the tractor at the front there, that is what they built. It's known as a Ford N. There was three derivatives. There was the 9N, the 2N, and the 8N. The 9N was built from 1939, and then 1942, the 2N was introduced. And then in 1949, I think, the 9N was produced. Very, very rare tractor in this country. The 2 a penny in America, because they were all built in America. They're like the little grey Fergie, but in this country, they're quite a rare tractor. We're lucky enough to have 2 of them here at Newby Hall. Wonderful to see them. And I have one at home languishing in a shed. It's been the bane of my life financially. It has ruled my bank account for about 2 years now. All the parts have to be sourced from America. There is a fella down who peddles some in from Canada, whereas he hasn't got the part he has to send off from America. And with all of these trade deals and all the political stuff going on with America, it's quite difficult to get stuff over. Quite often, the part may be we regard ourselves as serious tractor fans, but he's exceptional. He's driven all the way from Germany to be here, which is, of course, this is the best tractor show in the whole country, if not the world, especially getting people all the way from Germany. Now, hopefully we're going to get a few more Fergusons with any luck. So if you can hear us up on the Ferguson stand, fetch your tractors in. We've got everything from the old Ford with the Ferguson system up to the 3670. Now, notice on the door there, I don't know if it says it on the opposite side, it says Datatronic. Scary, eh? This is when they started putting electronics on tractors. Usually, we have a problem with tractors. 3000 series, tractors, massive Ferguson produced with a brain in it, an electronic control unit. We're going to go round again, then back up. Now this show wouldn't be complete without the iconic little grey Fergie. On this occasion it's not so little more grey. It's the grey Fergie. All sorts of road runs going up and down the country. Maybe for practical purposes. Quite specialist. Every time I see tractors is still available to buy today. The Ferguson TE20. That stands for Tractor England 20 horsepower. Out in the far-flung wilds of over the seas, we have TO20's Tractor Overseas 20 horsepower. So that's how they are coded. Started off with a TE8, that was petrol only, and then there's various going up B, C, D, E and F. All sorts of different increments from diesel, petrol only, petrol paraffin, narrow, international, lamp oil, and something else that I can't quite remember. I think it's a vineyard. So once Harry Ferguson had done his falling out with Henry Ford, they'd already fallen out with David Brown, went out to America, built the Ford with the Ferguson system, then he fell out with him. There was quite an impressive court battle after that fallout, and he then came back to Ireland, Northern Ireland, where he lived, and decided he was going to build his tractors back in the UK, Ferguson TE20. Is basically half of a Ford flathead V8. Like I was saying earlier on, in America these are 2 a penny, a bit like the Great Fergie. In this country they're a very rare tractor. And the most valuable part of this is actually a reproduction one, so it's not worth a great deal, but are the original caps of these, the solid ones. Most people actually take them off. Most people do take them off, but that is a reproduction one. No doubt the original one will be the same before. So once again, a wonderful tractor. German step-up transmission. I wouldn't think that the tractor scary to see about big you have to drill into the side of the tractor for the levers to come out of. So it's quite unusual as far as the A is formed with the Ferguson system. B is on the German transmission in it as well. Wonderful to see the S4. I haven't seen the hub, but it's not very often. Not the most reliable bought this tractor a few years ago. They actually ran it as a grain Fergie for a couple of years. Now it's taken over on the tractor, everything's available for them. They're known in the trade as the grain maggots. They're really about all over the place. And to try to be a little bit different, thousands of these produced into the tractor, what will you say? Some of the living out the time, you go around it, what have you done? Well, you do the tractor, it's a grain Fergie. People put all sorts of different engines in there. So, bit of a versatile little tractor. It's great to see them a little bit out of the ordinary. Goes all over the place, that's characterable work, and still capable of doing a day's work as well. It's got the diesel engine in there, it's got 2.2 litres of diesel engine, just over 20 horsepower. They did actually put this in a standard car as well, this diesel engine, but only for a short period of time. It wasn't that successful. The wonders of these two tractors are this 3-point linkage on the back, which revolutionised farming. And not only was it on the Ford, it was also on the Ferguson Brown, and then onto the little grey Ferguson. So that's what we have to thank for the little Ferguson tractors. So the 165 Massey Ferguson. Let's find out a bit about this. Is purely the driver. It belongs to a bloke called Ron Pickard of Friends of Ferguson Heritage. Now Ferguson stopped making their own engines and they actually started buying them in from Perkins. We talked about Perkins a little bit earlier on. They made engines down in the Midlands where they made all sorts of different engines for all sorts of different applications, right from ice cream vans all the way up to ocean-going liners. So they have a wonderful array of engines. Massey Ferguson decided that they were going to buy their engines in from just after the 35 tractor, just after the TE20. Great to see this little tractor here, polished up, and it's wonderful to see. Now, my goodness, what a big tractor. Let's find out a bit about the 3000.